Hello, my name is Jason. I will be graduating with a Bachelor of Science degree in Nutrition and Food. One of the things that I'm passionate about is getting enough proper nutrition. One of the nutrients that I'm going to be demonstrating how to get enough consumption are the omega-3 fatty acids. The essential fatty acids are the ones from ALA, EPA, and DHA. These fatty acids can come from foods such as avocados, spinach, salmon, and also the addition of canola oil. A person can get 1.6 grams per day of essential fatty acids from the omega-3s. Avocados have a total of 500 milligrams of ALA. So first of all, you want to slice the avocados in half with a spoon and then scoop it out. Add a serving of avocado to your meal, such as your lunch. Spinach has a total of 140 milligrams of omega-3 fatty acids. You want to add spinach into a salad or saute them with other meals such as breakfast eggs. Salmon has a total of 0.5 grams of DHA and 0.25 grams of EPA. You want to saute the salmon by first pouring cooking oil, such as canola oil, into a pan and fill the pan up 1/3 of the way up. Add salmon into a lunch or dinner. Canola oil has 122 milligrams of ALA. Deficiency symptoms of people who don't receive enough omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids throughout the day can include cognitive decline, depressive symptoms, and impaired growth, and higher risk of chronic disease. Fatty acids are essential for neurological development and function. Therefore, we must consume not just an adequate amount of fats, but the essentials in order to prevent cognitive and decline in life.